Hey guys, what's going on? I am back with another video, and in today's video I am going to be teaching you guys how to make a concept logo on your Android device just like this one. So now let's get started. So, I am here in PS Touch. Just click on this plus button and take an empty project. Now just click on this and button and click on fill in stroke and take a dark gray background kinda like this. Now just take an empty layer and go to marquee selection tool and draw a rectangle just like this. And click on fill in stroke and change the color to white. Now just follow the steps whatever I am doing. Now, just transform the rectangles and place the first one the upper side and place the second one on the bottom just like this. And now just place the last one in the middle just like this. Now just merge down the layers if you want. And just remove the extra parts of the layers and follow the steps from the video. Now just merge down the layers if you want. Now just place it in the middle, and duplicate the layer, and place it just like this. Now just transform it and click here. And make it just like this. Now, just take an empty layer and click on select pixels. Now just go to this empty layer, and click on this and button and click on stroke. And change its color to orange and change the width to like 15% and press OK. Now, just one more time take an empty layer and go to brush tool and change its color to full white. You can see my brush settings here. Now just add some dots on the corner of the logo design like this. And now just click on this FX button and click on Gaussian blur, and blur it something like this. So, our concept logo is ready now. Okay, so now just save it and it will look like this. So, that's it for today's video guys. Leave a like down below if you enjoyed and subscribe to my channel and I will see you guys next time.